Hi, this is Ashlyn with WTI. If you're looking for a good organizational tool for your home, this 3-tier shelving unit from GTIPPOR is a go-to. One of the best things about this product is that it's ready to go right out of the box. You don't need any tools or hardware to be able to put it together. You just lift it up and put the shelves into place and it's ready to go. Another one of my favorite things about this item is that it's multi-purpose. You can use it for shoes, or if you need more shelving in the kitchen, you can use it for food, or really whatever you need it for. Plants, it doesn't matter. If you need shelving, then this is great. Another great thing about this product is that it's heavy duty. Each shelf can hold up to 25 pounds, and it's totally made of metal, even the mesh, so you don't have to worry about things falling or breaking. Extra shelving in our homes is something that we all need more of. So if that's what you're looking for, this product is definitely for you. And that's my point of view.